This 2020 Lance 650 is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, your kitchen appliances are located on the left. This includes a sink, a 2-burner gas cooktop, and a convection microwave. Next to this is your control panel, which controls the miscellaneous functions of your camper, such as your solar panels, awning, and air conditioning. Across from this, your U-shaped dinette provides ample seating for yourself and several guests. Your bathroom is located next to your entry door. At the foot of the bed is a mini fridge and a flat screen TV with a multimedia head unit located beneath. Outside, make note of the location of your exterior shower and power hookup. This unit is equipped with a rear backup camera. On the passenger side are 2 exterior speakers. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.